Hi everyone, I'm Marija Pachaski. All of our recipes are on our website and free at happyfeetsandpaws.com. Today we are going to make Filipino Beef Tapa or TapSiLog breakfast. While 2 pounds of beef is partially frozen, thinly slice them against the grain. This will allow you to slice them to your desired thinness. Then set them aside to defrost completely. In the meantime, let's crush, peel, and mince 6 garlic cloves. Put them in a food-grade storage bag or mixing bowl. Let's make our marinade by combining 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of low-sodium toyo or soy sauce, a tablespoon of lemon or calamansi juice. Mix until well incorporated. Then try it and adjust to your desired taste before mixing in the slices of meat. Then mix and shake well until the meat is well coated. When the meat is well coated, cover or vacuum seal it. Then marinate for 6 hours or overnight. The following day, transfer the marinated beef in a bowl. Then heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Make sure to use a non-stick pan. Spread the oil around and carefully lower the pieces of meat and do not overcrowd. Cover and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on both sides or until golden. While the meat is cooking, do not leave them unattended to prevent burning. While burnt residues are normal, make sure to scrape and remove them so the beef tapa won't taste bitter. It should come off easily if using a non-stick pan. Then pour more oil as needed. Then repeat the process until all of the pieces of the beef tapa are cooked. Now let's put together a plate of the beef tapa, sinangag, fried eggs with the dipping sauce and side dishes of your choice. Garnish with some finely chopped spring onions. There you have it, my beef tapa or TapSiLog for breakfast. Enjoy!